Hi, I'm Sam, one of the food editors here at Good Food. Today we have something special for you. We have 3 mouth-watering air fryer recipes that are perfect for any day of the week. I'll be showing you how to make buffalo cauliflower wings, crispy chicken wings, and some fun pasta chips. This is Air Fryer 101. First up, we're making air fryer buffalo cauliflower wings. These are a great vegetarian alternative to the classic buffalo wing. Let's get started. We're going to start by making the batter, and for that we're going to put smoked paprika, cumin and garlic granules into a bowl, along with some plain flour and also some buttermilk. And then we're going to whisk that together until it's nice and smooth. That plain flour is what's going to thicken it up, and then we've got those spices to add lots of flavour. I've used a sweet smoked paprika here, but you could use hot smoked paprika or even add a little bit of chilli powder as well to give it a bit of heat. There you go, you can see that's nice and smooth now, so that bit's done. Next up, we're going to add the important bit, which is the cauliflower florets. They've been cut into bite-sized pieces, which is perfect for a snack. Give those a good mix to get them completely covered. You want to try and cut them as evenly as possible, just so that they cook at the same time. I'm just going to mix until they're as coated as I can get them, so that the flavour penetrates every part of the cauliflower floret. Right, let's get these cauliflower wings cooking. We're going to get them into the air fryer. If you need to preheat your air fryer first, then that's fine. The cauliflower wings will happily sit whilst you do so. Right, grab yourself a cauliflower wing and then just shake off any excess batter and pop that into your air fryer drawer. You may need to cook these in batches, depending on the size of your air fryer. Now you can pack them in if you want to, but I like to leave a little bit of space so that they get nice and golden. Right, I've got my first layer in there. I'm gonna get that cooking now. That goes in at 200 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes, and I'm gonna turn them halfway through, just until they're cooked through and then nice and crisp and golden. Okay, we're gonna move on to the buffalo sauce now. So I'm gonna combine some hot sauce with olive oil and also some honey. That just adds a little bit of sweetness. You could also use maple syrup. I'm also gonna add a little pinch of salt and a crack of black pepper. And then just mix that to combine. Just want to get everything nicely mixed together. So these cauliflower wings are done now. Just look how crispy and golden they are. I'm going to get those into the sauce now and coat them all. So it's fine to put them all in the bowl. I'm just going to use my spatula, coat them nicely. Just a light coating, they don't need to be drenched in the sauce. It's just to get that nice flavour all over. It's now time for the second and final cook. This is just going to heat them up again and also make the sauce lovely and sticky. If you need to, just give them a little shake just to get rid of any excess sauce. We're going to put those back in the air fryer at 200 for 6 to 9 minutes. We're done. You can see they're lovely, got a little bit of char around the edges, and these are perfect for anyone who likes that buffalo kick, but you want a vegetarian option. You can simply plate these up, and I'm going to serve them here with a sour cream and chive dip. The creaminess of that dip will just help to balance that spiciness of the buffalo sauce. Wow, these are incredible. Spicy, crispy, and perfect for anyone craving that spicy kick. Next up, chicken wings. These are my favourite option for a movie night or a party. Using an air fryer makes them an effortless option. These are really easy to make. First off, you want your chicken wings. These have already been prepared, but if you do need to do them yourself, it's really simple. You just cut them at the joint and then separate them into 2 pieces. You can also ask your butcher to do it for you. Okay, so into the chicken wings, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of oil. This is sunflower oil, but you could use olive oil if you wanted to. Next up, the seasoning. This is just a simple barbecue seasoning, but you could use your favourite seasoning here, so fajita or Cajun, or even just a simple mix of, say, paprika and garlic granules. And then just a pinch of salt, and then it's time to get your hands in. Just going to mix that all together and coat those chicken wings. I'm using my hands because I find it the easiest way to coat everything properly, but you could also use a spatula if you wanted. I mentioned that you could use garlic granules earlier. These are a much better option than using fresh garlic, just because the fresh garlic is more likely to burn in an air fryer. Right, I think that's done. Let's get these cooking. Really simple, just chuck them all in the air fryer. and then you're going to cook them for about 35 minutes. As you can see, they're not in a single layer, but that's fine. You're just going to mix them around or give them a shake every 10 minutes, so roughly about 3 times before they're finished. Chicken wings are done. The chicken's cooked through and the skin is lovely and golden. Let's get these plated up. Check these out, golden brown and the skin is lovely and crisp. That's perfect, crispy skin and juicy meat. What more could you want? For our final dish, we're whipping up some pasta chips. These are a fun and crunchy snack, perfect for a games night or just a cozy night in. This is a really simple recipe. You just need cooked pasta. I cooked that to packet instructions. To your cooked pasta, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I've got some smoked paprika, some ground cumin, a large pinch of oregano, and some onion granules. And then all you have to do is mix that together so the pasta's well coated. To get a nice crunchy pasta, once you've boiled your pasta, just leave it to dry for a good 5 to 10 minutes. You can leave it in the sieve over the saucepan. Much like the chicken wings, you can season these however you like. You could use some Cajun seasoning or fajita seasoning, or even just do something simple with some garlic granules. Right, let's get these in the air fryer. Just tip them into your basket. You're then going to cook them at 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Give them a shake halfway through. Okay, so our pasta chips are done. They're lovely and crisp and crunchy. We're going to plate them up. Look at these crispy little bites. They're crunchy, they're fun, and they're really easy to make. Nothing beats a table filled with flavour-filled snacks, just like these. From the spicy buffalo cauliflower to the crispy chicken wing and the fun pasta chips. These dishes are all about bringing big flavour with minimal fuss. Full recipe links are in the description. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. So don't just sit there, get in the kitchen and give these recipes a try. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more episodes. And visit goodfood.com or download our app for more recipes and inspiration.